Want a cheap and easy advent calendar idea? Then you're gonna love this. Grab your paper towel or toilet paper rolls, cut them up into 24 equal pieces. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hot glue them kind of at a staggering angle to make a loop. So you can see here, I got the handy dandy glue gun and I'm gluing them all together. Once we assemble, I'm gonna put an advent slip of paper inside each little ring. And you can also put in a Bible verse, an activity, some verifying. I've got 24 here. Perfect. And then we're just going to take those papers. We've got Bible verses for Advent on them. And then we're going to roll them up and slide them in the tube. Ruby was such a great helper. And you can see her enjoying a pumpkin cookie there. Normally, I fill a wooden advent calendar. I bought it like Hobby Lobby or Michael's. It's currently in storage, so we're really excited. All right, I've painted it, I've numbered it, I've put in the slips of paper, and then I'm also gonna put all of our December activities on slips of paper, and I slide those in as well. And this is just a really customized, personal way to keep the Advent spirit and use up all the toilet paper rolls you've got laying around if you're a crafty family like we are. An angel of the Lord appeared to them, and the glory of the Lord. I can't wait. It's going to be so fun.
So I've printed blank papers, and what I do is I'm just going to write the activity for that day. The night before, I use a master calendar so I can keep track of what I have for what day and what's surprise waiting in the calendar for us. Also this year, I'm not loading the papers until the night before in case plans need to change. It makes it easier. Tomorrow morning, the kids are going to read the Bible verse, read their little slip of paper. One kid gets one, and we can't wait.